entire milk powder espresso. It's one of my favorite things. And it's low-fat milk powder. If you're watching for your calories, this is a good idea, so let's go! Well, for this one, we don't need to grind anything because it's already very grinded. So we put straight away, like this. Oh, I hope this one doesn't explode. Now let's do our spready thing. Okay, now our compressy thing. Okay, it's not compressing so well, and looks like it's gonna be stuck. Well, let's go. It looks compressed and... wow, it is compressed! By the way, I always show the machine, but not the pressure gauge. And I think it's a good idea to show that also, because, well, we need to know if the espresso is working correctly or not. It should be around this gray area over here. Let's watch together then. So let's see if the entire milk powder espresso is going to work. Let's go then in 3, 2, 1. Let's espresso! Pay attention to this part also. Oh, well, it's not moving a lot. No pressure at all. Well, that was not the best display of this part in here, but the pressure gauge actually works. I'll show in the next video. As part of our analysis, the pressure gauge did not activate, so there was no pressure at all, which means we could not take an espresso because there was no pressure. Even though it did not have enough pressure, we can see some crema formed, which means it has fat. Although it's a low-fat milk powder, there's still some fat in it. So I'm curious to see how good it is right now. So let's taste. Saúde! Well, not a very impressive result. Stay in the area of low-fat milk. It's not so different from what I had in my mind. It's a very predictable result. I like it. It's a good way to drink milk, but there is an easier way to do it. You don't need to pass through your espresso machine to achieve these results. But let's see how the puck has become. All right. Well, kinda soupy, but it was well hydrated. Maybe we could have added more of the milk powder and maybe we could have achieved some pressure. It's a good puck. Let's just see. Well, it's an interesting texture. It looks like a wet cake. Let's taste. I think that most of the milk flavor passed through the espresso in here, but the texture is quite nice. I see some potential in it. I don't even need to do a recipe with this puck. So if you ask me if it's possible to have an espresso entirely made of milk powder, the answer is not so much, because we did not have pressure. But anyway, should you do it? Yeah. Now, why don't we use this moment to inspire new ideas? Coffee form. So let's see. Instead of a cafe latte, how about a latte cafe? A perfect result! Yeah!